Hello everyone, so I just want to share my experience. So I recently applied to EZOIC monetization and was accepted. And to integrate EZOIC, you need to, one of the recommended ways how they want you to integrate your website with EZOIC is basically by changing name servers. So this was my website. This is my website. It's hosted on Ghost. So Ghost is kind of nice alternative to WordPress. It's super fast, super like it's in JavaScript. Really like nice kind of lean framework to just for blogs, not for anything more complicated. And then here you can see this moment here on 10th of February. So I moved to EZOIC name servers. And of course, I had some like traffic going on, like it's really there was a lot of traffic because I covered some like really popular topic. And then of course, naturally it will just go down. But also after I changed to EZOIC name servers, this is what happened. And it's just not going back. Basically, I think there are some SEO implications of EZOIC name servers. I've read on some forums and also did some research that yes, seems if you change your website to EZOIC name servers, I didn't even like put up the ads yet, your SEO might suffer. I don't know, like the site is not slow or anything. I had an issue when I changed that and then just said site just went down for a while, but that was an issue with the SSL certificate. But basically, some of the keywords went down and some of the traffic went down. So of course, because I was covering some topic, so I would expect that traffic is down because that topic is less popular right now. You can see that this just went down, it's not coming back. So probably the issue is with just all this EZOIC setup. I did my research. My first assumption was that there is some issue with Google Analytics tracking and EZOIC. So I reached out to customer support and all of that. But seems it's not the issue as I'm testing Google Analytics, seems it's just working fine. Then I thought, okay, EZOIC has default Cloudflare integration. So I will just disable Cloudflare in EZOIC dashboard so you can do that. I did that and I did it yesterday and as you can see, nothing's really happening because there are some articles out there that basically if you have shared IPs on Cloudflare, it can also influence your standing in Google. So, but that wasn't my case. Like sometimes if you're sharing the IP with some like questionable websites, then Google might treat you quite questionably. So here it is as well. And then also, I just have this and so then after I disable Cloudflare, the one remaining thing is just like probably just the EZOIC name servers where they manage your DNS through EZOIC can really influence SEO standing. I'm not sure that it's like very common thing, but I read on forums that a lot of people have that. So I didn't even enable ads yet. So I just changed to EZOIC name servers and then I can see this. Also, you need to know like my website publishes a lot of like very up-to-date technical news. So it's very important that this content is published and indexed right away. That's the whole trick. If I don't have a lot of articles which are like evergreen content, like I published them 3 years ago, they still bring traffic. Of course I have them, but also like a lot of my traffic just coming from this instant tech news. So that had an impact. So there you have it. That's an overview. So I don't know like what can you do here. I'll try to just change back probably to default name servers. I'm using GoDaddy and then probably do something from there. Try to use EZOIC code snippet just in my header on the website. Let's see if that helps. But of course, then the website itself can become much slower. On EZOIC, they recommend you to use to use name servers as a default integration way. Of course, if you're using WordPress, there is also WordPress EZOIC plugin, or you can just insert your code snippet. So basically, like 3 ways to integrate that. But if you're using name servers, then you can also integrate Cloudflare, like some speed improvements, all of that. But anyways, let's see.